Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The sun is like right on me right now, so the lighting is not ideal, but I wanted to just film and get I just wanted to film today and get the stuff done, so I'm just gonna film right now, so please don't mind the sun. Anyway, so today I'm filming this guy. I wanted to show you this guy here. So I bought this a little less than a year ago. So this is 1990s vintage large CC. I think it's maxi size. No, is it maxi size or is it jumbo size? I'm not sure. It's either jumbo or maxi size. So it's a beautiful bag and I really love the color. But I'm going to send this out to leather surgeon to get it repaired. Mainly because I want the full spot treatment and like clean everything and restore it. And I also am going to get the back restructured because you can see the back kind of lost its structure here, so it's kind of like mushy. And you can see the back is a little bit tilted forward because it's losing the structure. So before before it gets worse, I wanted to get the whole back restructured. Other than that, it's in pretty good condition. When I received the bag, this grommet was falling out, so I had that repaired. And also there was I think it was here, a screw missing. If I can show you. So this screw was missing, and I took it to Chanel boutique shop, and they replaced it for free. So it's not exactly the same screw as this one because obviously this is a very old model, so they don't have the same screw anymore. So they just found the closest match they have available and they just replaced it for me. So other than that, the bag is okay. It's pretty clean. So it's not going to be a lot of work in restoring this bag. The main thing is really restructuring the bag. So before I send it out, I wanted to show you this bag before, because I'm going to compare it after the bag has been restored. Okay, I'm gonna go ship it out today. Okay, hi again. I got my package from leather surgeon. The bag has been finally restored. So I wanna open this with you guys. I'm a little bit nervous to see how the bag looks. So to open it, this is the certificate of authenticity. Okay, that's nice. There you go. Okay, it's in a dust bag. Okay. Oh, exciting. Yeah, nervous. So I'm really nervous to see what the bag looks like. Oh, it's in a paper wrap inside the dust bag, so I can't see it yet. So it's in this white paper. I told them that my main concern was the structure, so even without opening it, I can see it's much better structure now. So let's open it. Okay, ready? Oh wow. Okay. Let's take a closer look at this. Oh my god. Wow. This looks so good, you guys. The color and the structure. Oh, the color is, wow, it's beautiful. Wow, let me Oh, it's like, it's so clean, you guys. Look how clean this is. Let me open it. Wow, this is so clean. It's so well restored. Let's open the chain. Wow. You guys, look at the chain. It's like brand new chain. Oh, it's so good. Look at the corners. The corners are perfect. And the structure is like much better. Much better. Let's open and look at the inside. Oh my god, wow. Look at the inside, you guys. So perfect. Oh, I'm so happy. They did a wonderful job restoring this. Oh, I feel like I have a brand new bag. Wow. This bag was made sometime in 1990s, so this bag is about 30 years old. So for a bag that is about 30 years old, granted it's restored, the condition is spectacular. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Yeah, I have a brand new bag. It's so gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, look. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share how the leather surgeons restored my vintage bag, and I'm like very happy with the result. So I just wanted to share this guys with you, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.